I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Marc Riccio. He is the CEO of USA Lacrosse. Marc, so great to have you on the trading floor joining me today.
Thank you. It's my maiden voyage here after all these years in New York. First time being on the floor. Really exciting.
Well, welcome, welcome. So now you've been in your role as CEO for 10 months, less than a year. Tell me, what have you learned during these 10 months and what are you most focused on?
So what I've really learned is common ground, is that whenever you're in the sport and entertainment industry that goes from youth to high school to college to pro to national teams and elite level, there's a lot of competing interests. But what I've really found is like everybody is very much focused on growing the game, growing our addressable audience. And so that really has been common ground to rally on. In terms of focus, it's really on that. It's about revenue generation that we can put back into the sport and try to grow the game.
Now, lacrosse is one of the fastest growing sports in the nation. Why do you think it's been growing so quickly?
Well, it really is, it's a fun sport.
Yeah.
You know, it's fast paced. It's a bit like basketball or hockey on a field. It's gender equitable. And it's the oldest team sport in North America. It was originated and shared with us by the Native Americans. And so it really has taken on because of those issues and accessibility. It's just, you can pick up a stick and play and run around and it's a lot of fun.
Now, the women's championship match is going to be happening later this month on your home turf, Maryland. Talk to me about this.
Well, we've really got some fantastic momentum. We have 30 nations coming in for the World Lacrosse Women's World Championships in Towson, Maryland. So teams from Japan to Uganda, the UK, and of course US, Canada. And it's a great opportunity to showcase some of the best lacrosse in the world. So it goes from June 29th to July 9th. That includes opening night ceremonies on the 29th against Canada, US against Canada. On July 4th, we play the UK. It's a great opportunity for both men and women, boys and girls, to see some fantastic lacrosse in our home country.
Now, do you think that we'll see lacrosse in the 2028 Olympics?
We're hopeful. So the process right now is Los Angeles 28, which is the organizing committee for the games in LA in 28, has the opportunity to add new sports. Now, we're hopeful in the next month or so we'll be selected to be in the first round of sports that get an opportunity to present their case about why they should be included. But again, it's a gender equitable sport. We've got great momentum with the NCAA championships this past Memorial Day weekend, where you had 500, 600,000 people watching on TV. You had great sellout crowds for both the men and the women championships. So we're hopeful that momentum carries us forward.
All right, you're standing here on the trading floor. We're here at the New York Stock Exchange on Wall Street. There's a big connection between Wall Street and lacrosse. What is that?
Well, certainly there's the legacy of the Northeast Corridor. Lacrosse certainly is very strong in that Northeast Corridor. But you also have a lot of colleges and universities that are strong in lacrosse are aligned with the street and the financial markets. Certainly the Ivy Leagues, but great schools like Duke and Virginia, Boston College, even my alma mater, Hofstra University. So I bet if we walked around to the men and women on this floor, I'm going to say 3/4 of them probably picked up a stick and played at one point or another.
Oh yeah, I bet you are right. Well, wishing you the best. Congratulations and good luck with getting us into the Olympics.
Well, thank you very much for having me. We're looking forward to that. Hopefully I'll come back when we get in and we'll talk more about what that looks like.
Definitely.
All right.
Thanks.
Thanks.